we will start with first step. So in first step we have to create the data source. So click on start button, click on all programs, and then there you will find Microsoft Office. From Microsoft Office package you have to start Microsoft Office Word 2007. Then after that you have to go in mailings. In mailings you have to click on select recipients. In select recipients you have to click on type new list. Okay, from here you will prepare the new list. Click on it. Okay, so one by one you will have to fill all the friends details. Now make first entry. Address. Now new entry. For every time for the new entry you have to click on new entry button. Okay. Then again new entry. Okay, if you want to delete any entry you can select the row. Okay, and then you can click on delete entry, otherwise click on OK button. Then it will ask you to save the list. Okay, save the list with friends. Okay, and save it. Now in start mail merge group, click on start mail merge. Then you have to choose letters, as we have to type letter. Okay, here we will write birthday invitation so that we can call 5 of our friends. You can add as many friends list as you want, but right now I have created only 5 friends list. Okay, so you have to click on letters. After that you have to type the letter, leave the space for name, then for address leave a blank line. Here you write dear, then comma. Okay, I have already copied the letter. Regards, mail. Okay, so our letter is done. Save it. Save it in the desktop. Birthday invitation. Click on save button. In the next step you have to click on select recipients. Now here we will use existing list. Okay, you have to click on use existing list. You can see the list of friends is here that we have already saved. Okay, select it and click on open button. Now the next step is in mailing tabs you have to click on insert merge field, and it is there in the right hand insert fields group. Okay, click on insert merge field, then here you type first name. If you want last name you can put last name, but I have not entered last name in my friends list. Okay, then you press enter, then you write address line 1. Okay, address line 2 also if it is there, but I have not inserted as address line 2. Okay, then after that After dear you should insert friend's name, first name, okay, like dear Amrita, dear Falak, okay. Then the letter body is there, okay, regards, and the sender's name. Got it? Save it. Okay, so the letter that we have typed earlier, that was the main document, and this one you can see, this is merge field, okay. These are all merge fields, and now the merge fields are there in the main documents, and that is why it is known as merged document. Got it? Now if you want to preview the result, because we have already used 5 friends list, so we can click on preview result to see the preview. Here you can see first person's detail, Amrita, Rico, and then dear Amrita, you can see. Okay, now if you want to see the second letter, you have to click on this next record button. Okay, click on the next record. It is Falak, then Khushi, then Krishna, and Roshni. Now you can see one by one all 5 letters are ready with small changes in all the letters. Okay, so we go back to the first one. If you want to see the merge field again, you again click on preview result, you will be able to see the merge field. If you want to see the preview, this is the preview. If you want to go to the next, you can click on next button. Okay, so click on preview results. Then if you want to finish the mail merge, and after that you have to edit individual documents, you can add it individual document, okay, one by one. If you want to print these documents, then you can give the print, okay, print records, all the records, current record or from this to this page. Okay, so the printer is not connected, so printout cannot be taken out. And if you want to send these documents by mail, then you can click on send email messages. Okay, I hope you have understood how to create mail merge. Okay, all of you, those who have PC at home, they can try. Okay, you can use Microsoft Office MS Word. Okay, it can be any version, it can be Microsoft Office 2010 or the higher version. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.